Sorry, but the security snafu?
Well, there was a slight snafu with one of our people, which
Interoffice snafu.
The word SNAFU is an acronym that originated from the US military during World War II. It stands for Situation Normal All Fouled Up. The F originally stood for. It is used to describe a messy, chaotic, or confused situation. Something has gone wrong, but in a way that almost feels routine or expected. Gubot o kagubot, sipyat, naguba ang sistema o plano, kalibog. The investigation into corruption turned into a political snafu when powerful officials started protecting each other. Ang imbestigasyon sa korupsyon nahimong kagubot sa politika sa dihang nagsugod sa pagpanalipod sa usag-usa ang mga gamhanang opisyal.